You know what I've realized? Americans, we care more about things than we do people, or animals than we do people. When it's all said and done, just think about it. I have watched people work hard for their vehicles and cars, and they get a chip or something happen to it, they have a heart attack. I'm like, but you own it. You don't take care of your body like that. You take care of this vehicle better than you take care of your body. Don't you think something is a little odd about that? But this is how we network. Don't get backwards, man. You know what I mean? Honestly, it's sad when you think about the way certain people respond to life. But don't treat things better than you do yourself and someone else. We are valuable. We have a purpose. We are authentic. Remember that.